This is my real voice.
But now you're hearing my AI clone voice.
With this technology,
Translating your voice into different languages is effortless.
Zum Beispiel kann ich jetzt auf Deutsch sprechen. La vie française est beau. Atau bahkan bahasa Indonesia. Halo semua teman Indonesiaku.
these amazing time-saving features are made easy with AI clone voice and AI translation tools in Wondershare Filmora. Now we are in Filmora. Let's see how to clone a voice for realistic voiceovers for various purposes. First, you need to head over to the audio section. Here you'll find AI music and AI sound effects. And just below them, you'll see text-to-speech options for AI voice cloning. Click the start button, which will open a new pop-up window for text-to-speech. It already includes a voice library with a variety of voice samples. You can choose any of them for AI voice in video productions. And you can even adjust the speed of the voice. The clone voice option allows you to clone your own voice. I already have a test voice, so let's listen to it.
Life is like a box of chocolate, you never know what you're gonna get.
Now let's move to the main part of this tutorial, voice cloning. First, select the language you wanna clone from the list. Click on the plus icon to start cloning your voice. This will open a recording screen with a script. Now rename your voice. For example, name it to test voice 2 since I already have one. Choose the device you use for recording your voice. If English is selected as the clone language, the script will be in English. If you select a different language, the script will automatically update to match that language. Your recording must be between 10 seconds to 1 minute long, including emotions, accents, and other vocal elements, as these will be recorded and incorporated into your clone voice. I recommend experimenting with different tones to achieve the best AI voice. Click the record button and read the script aloud. An elephant's heart weighs 22 kilograms. Once you finish recording, click the stop button to save your audio. Play the audio to check whether it sounds good. An elephant's heart weighs 22 kilograms. If you are not satisfied, click the record again option to re-record your voice. An elephant's heart weighs 22 kilograms. When you are happy with your recording, hit the clone voice button to confirm. Within a few seconds, the AI will complete the cloning process. And here it is, voice 2. Click on it to listen to your clone voice.
Life is like a box of chocolate, you never know what you're gonna get.
Let's also listen to voice 1 so you can compare them.
Life is like a box of chocolate, you never know what you're gonna get.
Text-to-speech is the next step in this tutorial on voice cloning. To get started, you can type or paste your content into the provided field. Filmora's AI will use this text to generate speech. Alternatively, you can utilize AI copywriting by clicking this arrow icon to expand the options. Then click the drop-down icon to select a topic type, such as informative, product coverage, or others. Next, use the text topic field to input the topic of your text, such as a headline or title. In the more detailed section, you can provide additional information like advantages and benefits of AI voice cloning if that's your chosen topic. Once everything is set, click the generate button below the more detailed field to create content based on the suggested topic and details. Since I already have topic details, so let's move to the next step. Selecting the clone voice you wanna use for generating speech. After choosing the voice, click generate to let the AI to complete the process. Within moments, the text-to-speech generation will complete. You instantly see the result with subtitles displayed on the timeline. Now let's listen to the text-to-speech AI clone voice.
AI is truly a game changer for video editors. With just a few clicks, you can easily remove any object from a video because Filmora makes it super easy for us.
Wow, it's really good. Without any effort, my AI voice is ready to use. This shows how AI voice cloning truly saves time. There is no need to re-record your voiceovers for your videos. It's easy to use, requires no physical presence, and even supports multiple languages. Now let's move on to the next step, enhancing both AI voices and even real voices. I have already added some video clips and motion graphics related to AI clone voice topic. If you prefer, you can turn off the subtitles by clicking on the eye icon. Then listen to the voice again to compare the difference.
AI is truly a game changer for video editors. With just a few clicks, you can easily remove any object.
Next, click and drag to select all AI voice clips. Then head over to the audio settings tab. Just below, you'll find the auto normalization option. Turn it on and listen to the audio.
AI is truly a game changer for video editors. With just a few clicks, you can easily remove any object from a video.
You'll notice it sounds slightly better than the raw AI voice. Now go back to the audio settings and change the equalizer from the drop-down menu. For example, selecting soft works well for my AI clone voice. Listen to the voice again after applying new setting.
AI is truly a game changer for video editors. With just a few clicks, you can easily remove any object from a video.
And you hear the improvement. It's fantastic. We also have another option called AI Voice Enhancer. Let's enable this option in the audio settings panel. You can even customize this feature to achieve the best results. With the voice enhancement complete, let's listen to the final enhanced AI clone voice.
AI is truly a game changer for video editors. With just a few clicks, you can easily remove any object from a video because Filmora makes it super easy for us.
The results are impressive. Filmora is a user-friendly all-in-one video editing software. Why all-in-one? Because you don't need to spend extra money on additional transitions, effects, video templates, sound effects and more. They all are included. Its AI-powered features like AI voice clone and translation, AI music, AI background remover and AI tracking make your editing tasks simple and efficient. Filmora is available on Windows, Mac and mobile. Just head to the video description and download Wondershare Filmora using the link and start enjoying the freedom of video editing today. AI translation is the final step in this tutorial where we learn how to convert an AI clone voice into different foreign languages. To get started, first select one or more audio files you wanna translate. Then right-click any of the selected clone audio files and choose AI translation. A dialog box will instantly appear with options to translate both voice and captions. Select the source language. For this video, I'll choose English. If your source language is different, select it from the drop-down menu. Choose the target language. Pick the language you wanna translate from the available options such as German, Italian, Japanese, Russian or others. Most common languages are supported. For example, I'll select Korean. Hit the translate button to convert your clone voice into the chosen foreign language. I have already tried 3 different languages. Let's give the AI a few moments to complete the translation process. Now the conversion from English clone voice to Korean clone voice along with subtitles is ready to play. Let's turn off the source language and listen to the Korean version as well as the Arabic and Hindi translations.
아이는 정말 비디오의 게임 변화자입니다. 편집자. 몇 번의 클릭으로 쉽게 할 수 있습니다. 모든 객체를 제거합니다. 비디오에서. 필모라가 쉽게 만들기 때문입니다. 우리를 위해 يمكنك حتى إضافة الشعارات. مقاطع فيديو وأيضا الرسوم المتحركة بتفاصيل أكبر دون عناء الإعدادات باستخدام ميزة تعقب المستوي في فيلمورا आइए पता चलता है कि यह कितना सरल है एक में फिल्मोरा साझा करने के लिए
And finally, it can be said that AI voice clone feature is an incredible update in Filmora. It's perfect for dubbing, creating social media content like shorts and reels, online courses, advertising, and many other video production needs, all without requiring the physical presence of voice actors. Check out the video description for more details. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.